Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raffi Nabila with ID number A1212121. So in here I will explain about analysis of common English gestures. Understanding gestures is essential for effective communication as they often convey meanings that word alone cannot express. Below is an analysis of several common English gestures, their cultural significance, psychological impact, and contextual usage. The first one is a finger pointing with up-down motion. Cultural significance. This gesture is often associated with authority and discipline. It can indicate a commanding presence of assertiveness, communication, and the psychological impact. The person using this gesture may feel empowered, while those being pointed at may experience feeling of diminishment or defensiveness as it challenges their autonomy. Usage commonly employed in educational settings or during warnings. This gesture serves to emphasize important points or directives. And the next is emotional response. It can provoke defensiveness in others, is it may be perceived as confrontational or associatory. And the last is cross-cultural note. In many Asian cultures, finger pointing is considered rude and disrespectful, which highlight the importance of cultural context in nonverbal communication. And the second is knocking onward original. This gesture dates back to ancient beliefs that spirit reside in tears, and knocking on wood was thought to summon protection from bad luck. And modern use, people often knock on wood after mentioning good fortune to ward off misfortune, reflecting a desire for control over luck. And next is the psychological function. This action provides a sense of reassurance and control over unpredictable outcomes, reinforcing superstition beliefs. And the third is shoulder shrug, meaning a shoulder shrug typically signifies strangely or indifference. And the cycle sign, it involves raising the shoulders and palms, often accompanied by raised eyebrows. Nuance meaning. Smile indicates usual dismissal. Firm suggests confusion. Eye roll conveys indifference or annoyance. And the fourth is self handshaking or arms movement. Meaning, this gesture indicates personal celebration or self-congratulation. Intensity levels, more vigorous movements correlate with higher excitement levels. Usage frequently seen in the sport context or personal achievement. It reflects self-affirmation and joy. And the fifth is circular hand and stomach. This meaning, these gestures typically signifies hunger or enjoyment of food. On the physical basis, the movement mimics the sensational associated with eating, liking physical expression to emotional state related to food. And the sixth is lip licking. Original lip licking is a natural response often triggered by food anticipation. And contextual meaning, food in food context indicates hunger or anticipation of taste, and social context can signify nervousness or attraction in interpersonal interaction. And the seventh is palm to forehead slap, meaning this gesture expresses realization on or frustration, often used when recalling something forgotten or acknowledging a mistake. And eighth is hand whipping across forehead. Is meaning this action signifies real life after experiencing stress or tension. Use context in commonly observed after challenging conversation or situation where pressure was felt. And nine is finger across throat. Meaning is this gesture can signal danger or serve as a serious warning about potential threats. And culture sensitivity is the actability of this gesture varies significantly across different cultures. Thus, caution is advised when using it internationally. And the last is twiddling meaning. Twiddling thumbs typically indicates boredom or impatience. Next is social perception. While it may seem nonsense, it can be important as rude during conversation, suggesting distractions in the discussion at hand. I think that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.